Unlock your creative potential and dive into professional-grade photo editing on your Mac without immediate cost. Today, we're exploring legitimate ways to get Adobe Lightroom on your Mac OS for free, allowing you to learn and practice with this industry-leading software. First, head over to Adobe's official website. You'll want to navigate to their products section, where they list all their creative applications. Look for Adobe Lightroom, and you'll find a clear option for a free trial. This trial typically offers a full-featured experience for a set period, usually 7 days. Clicking Free Trial will initiate the download of the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app if you don't already have it, which then manages your Lightroom installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once installed, you can import your photos and begin exploring Lightroom's powerful organizational and editing tools. This trial is perfect for getting hands-on experience and deciding if it's the right fit for your workflow. To maximize your free trial, dedicate time to learning. Adobe provides extensive tutorials on their website and YouTube channel, and many creators offer free beginner guides specifically for Lightroom. Remember, this free trial is a legitimate, risk-free way to experience Lightroom's capabilities. Use this opportunity to practice your editing skills and see how it transforms your photography. While not a permanent free solution, this trial offers invaluable access to industry-standard software, helping you develop your creative potential. Happy editing!